I am Professor Arun Chougule. I am the ex-Pro Vice Chancellor and presently Dean and Chief Academic Officer at Swasthya Kalyan Group. I had an opportunity to visit Amtz in 2018 inauguration. That time it was a makeshift arrangement, and today after almost 7 years I am visiting and I have seen what a rapid development it has taken place. Very needed indigenization of the medical equipment is becoming a reality for a country like India. This center is not only providing the facility to India, but also the many countries which are underdeveloped or even developed countries. So healthcare depends upon diagnostic equipment, treatment equipment and many other, and till now we were importing very expensive. So democratization of the medical equipment was not happening, but Jitendra Sharma and his team has made it reality, and many are benefiting the innovation, incubation, and many academic programs are happening. I am very much impressed, and for Viksit Bharat, this is the need of today which is being fulfilled. Thank you very much. The great opportunity I got it here to come.